I was gonna say, if you fall, I'm not swimming out there.
But I will record it. Quiet, I'm recording.
Right.
God damn, birds have no respect. Hey, come out here and see what this is.
Shut up, bird.
Recently I had a chance to go out with some good friend and run some nearby trails south of Phoenix. And I gotta tell you, I had a great time. I could not believe this time capsule that we found frozen in the Arizona desert. Not to mention a little bit of mystery and intrigue along the way with the great train derailment. There were tons of cars to look at, train cars that is, full of graffiti, lots of cactuses, lots of old trails to run, cool places to take pictures and get out and walk the tracks. Now the road down this way by Arlington was once the main artery connecting people all the way from Yuma and San Diego. Today it's pretty silent, just sitting quietly right off old Highway 80, just waiting for someone to stop by and check out the story. The bridge itself was completed and opened back in 1927. Here's the wildest part. It was built primarily with free labor, you know, prisoners. More on this historic bridge later, but if you guys would be so kind right now, maybe think about liking, dropping a comment below, or even subscribing to the channel. Every little bit helps me out. Oh, hold up there a second. I got something new I want to share with you guys. The Seesii 21 volt cordless impact drill. More specifically, the Seesii WH700 impact wrench. Comes complete with a charger, a variety of different size sockets, even drill bits and an adapter to make sure that the toughest job get handled with ease. It even comes in this rugged carrying case, perfect for the great outdoors. I'm pretty sure I know what you guys watching at home are asking. But Ben, what about the mini trucks? Don't worry, it does that too. Seesii's even got you covered with various size sockets to make sure you can get any wheel off of any truck. Yeah, mini trucks, no problem. All right, so be sure to go ahead and check out the link in the description. Use that code and get your hands on one of these Seesii cordless impact drills today. The bridge is definitely taking a beating over the years. Major floods have damaged it several times. The bridge itself is pretty intact, although a little bit narrow. No problems driving over it, as you can see here. Gillespie Bridge. Here's where it collapsed. Let's go check this out. Let's go check out the dam collapse. A major flood in 1993 swelled the size of the Gila River and destroyed the nearby Gillespie Dam. That's that cool looking thing right in the background. It's pretty neat to get down there and check it out. So whether you're on 4 wheels or 2, I suggest getting out and checking out this area around Arlington, north of Gila Bend. It's pretty cool. There's all kinds of great trails to run. Maybe even drop a fishing pole in the water. Check out the bridge, check out the dam. If you managed to get out this way or you've been out this way before, leave a comment below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. I'm sure if this old highway could talk, it'd have plenty of stories.